The octopus is often described as intelligent, curious, even playful. People admire how it changes color, how it blends into its surroundings, how it seems almost gentle as it glides through the water. But that image hides something far more unsettling. Beneath that soft body and fluid movement lies one of the most efficient and merciless hunters the ocean has ever produced. The octopus does not chase wildly or attack in panic. It waits, it watches, and when the moment comes, it strikes with terrifying precision. Before we dive in, if you don't want to miss stories that reveal the true dark side of nature, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. The ocean is not a peaceful place. It is a battlefield where survival depends on speed, awareness, and timing. In this world, hesitation means death, and the octopus has mastered this reality. It does not rely on brute strength or sharp teeth alone. It relies on patience, deception, and intelligence. Everything about its body is designed for one purpose: control. At first glance, the octopus does not look like a predator. It has no bones, no claws, no visible weapons. Its body appears soft, almost fragile. But this is an illusion. Beneath that softness is pure efficiency. The octopus can slip through openings no larger than its eye. It can flatten itself against the ocean floor, becoming nearly invisible. It can remain perfectly still for hours, waiting for the exact moment to act. When prey comes close, there is no warning, no chase, no struggle. The octopus launches forward, wrapping its arms around the victim in a fraction of a second. Each arm is lined with powerful suckers that lock on instantly. Escape becomes impossible. As the prey struggles, it is pulled toward the octopus's beak, which is a sharp, parrot-like mouth capable of crushing shells and piercing flesh. The kill is fast, silent, precise. This is not chaos. This is control. What makes the octopus even more terrifying is that it does not hunt blindly. It observes, it learns, it remembers. Unlike many predators that rely on instinct alone, the octopus studies its environment. It learns the habits of its prey. It chooses the perfect moment to strike. This ability comes from a nervous system unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. The octopus has around 500 million neurons. But what makes this truly unique is where those neurons are located. Only about a third are in the brain. The rest are spread throughout its arms. Each arm can sense, process information, and act independently. This means the octopus does not think from a single center. It thinks everywhere at once. When an octopus reaches out to touch something, it doesn't wait for the brain to tell it what to do. The arm decides on its own. This allows for instant reactions that no predator with a centralized brain could match. While other animals must process information before acting, the octopus simply acts. This decentralized intelligence makes the octopus a near-perfect hunter. It can respond to movement in multiple directions at the same time. It can manipulate objects, explore spaces, and overpower prey with effortless coordination. And it does all of this while remaining almost completely silent. But perhaps the most chilling example of the octopus's lethal nature lies in one of its smallest members. The blue-ringed octopus is no larger than a golf ball. It is beautiful, with glowing blue patterns that pulse across its skin. But those glowing rings are not decoration. They are a warning, a final signal before death. The blue-ringed octopus carries enough venom to kill up to 27 adult humans. The venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. What makes it even more dangerous is that its bite is often painless. Victims may not even realize they have been bitten until their muscles stop responding. There is no anti-venom. Survival depends entirely on artificial breathing until the toxin leaves the body. This tiny creature does not chase or panic. It waits. When threatened, it flashes its blue rings as a final warning. If that warning is ignored, it strikes. Silent, precise, lethal. This is the reality of the octopus. Not a peaceful drifter, but a calculated predator shaped by millions of years of evolution. Camouflage plays a critical role in this hunting strategy. The octopus can change color in less than 200 milliseconds, which is faster than the blink of an eye. It can become rock, coral, sand, or shadow in an instant. This ability is controlled by specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which expand and contract to display different colors. Beneath them are layers that reflect light, creating shimmering blues and greens. Beneath those are structures that reflect white light. Together, these layers allow the octopus to vanish completely. But this camouflage is not only defensive, It is offensive. The octopus uses it to ambush prey, luring animals close before striking. Many victims never realize they are being hunted until it is too late. Even more unsettling is the fact that octopuses are believed to be colorblind. They do not see color the way humans do. Instead, their skin itself can sense light. Even when separated from the body, octopus skin reacts to changes in brightness. In a sense, the octopus sees with its entire body. This allows it to adapt instantly to its environment. It becomes part of the world around it. The line between predator and environment disappears. And this ability developed for a reason. Millions of years ago, octopus ancestors had shells for protection, but over time, those shells disappeared. Suddenly, the octopus was soft, exposed, and vulnerable in a world full of predators. Instead of going extinct, it adapted. Intelligence replaced armor. Strategy replaced strength. The octopus became a master of survival. Its intelligence goes far beyond hunting. Octopuses can solve complex puzzles, remember solutions, and recognize individual humans. They have been observed targeting specific people, reacting differently depending on past experiences. Some have even been seen squirting water at people they appear to dislike. This is not instinct, this is a memory. In controlled experiments, octopuses have demonstrated behaviors that resemble play. They push objects, watch them move, and repeat the action again and again with no obvious reward. This kind of behavior is usually seen only in highly intelligent animals like dolphins, primates, and humans. Another remarkable behavior involves tool use. Some octopuses collect coconut shells and carry them across the ocean floor. When threatened, they assemble the shells into a protective shelter. This requires planning, foresight, and imagination. The octopus must envision a future moment and prepare for it in advance. What makes all of this even more extraordinary is that octopuses are not social animals. They do not form families. They do not raise their young. They do not learn from one another in the way mammals do. Most intelligent animals develop their minds through interaction with others. Octopuses do not. This forced scientists to rethink the origins of intelligence itself. One theory suggests intelligence evolved to manage social relationships. But the octopus challenges this idea completely. Its intelligence appears to come from ecological pressure, the constant need to survive in a dangerous and unpredictable environment. For the octopus, intelligence is not about cooperation, it is about survival. What makes this even more astonishing is how distant octopuses are from humans on the evolutionary tree. Humans and octopuses share a common ancestor that lived more than 600 million years ago. That ancestor was a simple, worm-like creature. From there, evolution took two entirely different paths. One led to humans, the other led to octopuses. Two separate experiments in intelligence, two radically different minds, and yet both reached similar levels of problem-solving and awareness. This tells us something profound. Intelligence is not rare. It is not unique to humans. It may emerge wherever life faces enough pressure to adapt. Octopuses show us that intelligence does not need language. It does not need society. It does not need familiarity. It can exist in silence, in darkness, in solitude. They are not gentle creatures. They are not harmless. They are hunters who are precise, calculating, and extraordinarily effective. So the next time you think about the ocean, remember this. Somewhere beneath the surface, a mind is watching. A mind that can disappear in an instant, strike without warning, and outthink creatures many times its size. A mind that reminds us how little we truly understand about intelligence. And if something so alien can think, plan, and hunt with such precision, then perhaps the universe is far more alive and far more aware than we ever imagined. If this story made you see the ocean differently, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd really love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves learning about the hidden, and subscribe for more stories like this.